Uber has priced its IPO at $45 per share ahead of its market debut later today. That puts the ride-hailing app near the low end of its target range. But it is still set to become one of the most valuable companies ever to go public. Elizabeth has the details of this year's biggest tech IPO. Elizabeth.
That's right. So we've been watching the share price. We had expected shares to go as high as $50 each, coming in last night at $45 a share, which puts Uber's valuation at $75.46 billion. So that is below those initial estimates that we'd seen as high as $91 billion. At one point, we were looking at $120 billion, according to some reports. But we will officially be seeing Uber at a market cap around $75 billion as it goes public today on the New York Stock Exchange. The company will be offering 180 million shares in this IPO, officially has raised an $8.1 billion IPO. That is the biggest U.S. IPO since Alibaba in 2014. And before that, we had Facebook. So this is, of course, still a massive company that is going onto the public markets today. There's been a lot of anticipation ahead of this IPO. And we will be comparing this very closely with Lyft, of course, which was the first ride-hailing company to go public at a much lower valuation. Lyft's valuation was about $24 billion on its first day of trading. The key metrics investors have been looking at when it comes to Uber's financials are its revenues, which are about $3 billion in the first quarter of 2019. But that big figure is the net loss of $1 billion. Uber has so far not been able to make money. It really hasn't quite laid out the path to profitability, despite diversifying its business outside of ride-sharing into other segments like freight and Uber Eats, still reporting big losses, and that has been a factor that's weighed on the valuation ahead of this IPO. We'll be looking at a host of other factors, including expected volatility in the markets today, to see how that affects trading on the New York Stock Exchange as well. Guys, back to you.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.